Next group we are having, which is sort and filter. We have already covered this sorting part, how we can sort the data, and also the filtering. In this sort and filter, I am having the extra column which is named as the advanced filter. In advanced filter, you can see options for filtering using the complex criteria. For example, I have some complex criteria. On the basis of that criteria, I want to filter out my data and want to paste the same data in the same workbook or that particular sheet. In filtering, we have to copy that data and need to paste that data into the different one. So for example, this is my data. In this data, I have the criteria. For example, I have the criteria, which means wherever a student having the marks as a 77, I want to pop out that data or those values here. So how we can apply these criteria and the condition on this particular? Suppose it is only small data. For example, I have the large data around 5 to 6 lakh records. How we can apply all these things on the large data set as well? We can do the same steps. Firstly, we need to write our resource. This is our source, or you can say the source data. It is my criteria and it is my expected output, or it is the second criteria. And next, from where you want to paste your outcome or the result of this criteria outcome. So click anywhere in this particular range and click on advanced. When you click on advanced, you can see it has selected all the values, columns, rows here. Next, it is asking criteria range, which means we need to give it a range. On this particular column, we want the value which is 77. So I click here on criteria range and select both the cells values. Now I want to paste these in the same sheet. To do so, I need to select the second option, which is copy to another location. I click here and click here on copy to and select here. If you want to paste only unique records, you can enable it or tick here. Otherwise, click OK, and you can see I got the data of the students which are having their maths marks as a 77. So this is how advanced filtering can help us in the complex queries and criteria. Second condition or the criteria I am having, which is in maths, I am having for first student 61 marks and 63 marks. For physics, I am having 59 and 64 together. How we can find this? Again, click anywhere in this data, select advanced. So my source data has been selected. And next, criteria range. We need to change here the criteria range. This time my criteria range is this, and copy to another location, and my copied location on where I will paste my data is from here, and click OK. Now you can see I got these two students which are having the same maths and physics values which are available in my criteria. So this is how advanced filtering works on the complex criteria. You can apply the same on large data as well, but you need to define the criteria first. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.